Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to find and utilize the motion blur effect. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. Once you have it there, we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, scroll down to Lens, and then we'll be able to find the motion blur effect. So now you click it, drag it down to the timeline, to the beginning of the clip, and now we can elongate this effect to fit the entirety of the clip. And with it being selected, we're going to go up to special effects and we can mess with the horizontal blur, the I guess in this way you only see two of my sisters, but in this way you see three basically, right? So you guys can choose which one is better for you. I'm going to go with the one, and then we can also mess with the strength, right? So if we go a little bit kind of in the middle, it's a perfect gauge on how the effect should express itself. So let's take a look. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Again, thank you guys for watching and have a great day.